Does it go down today?
Right behind you.
Yeah, you can pull me out.
Anyone in there?
That's it, huh?
Holy shit.
Got me some fucking spark sets out there.
That's mad.
Is it massive in there?
Yeah.
What, like a massive dome sort of thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a tunnel.
That's fucking sick.
Your touch is so much better than mine. It only goes about 20 metres or so, and then I think it just stops.
Yeah.
See, that's a fucking shame, that is.
I can see a wall, I think, at the end. Just. You're burning.
Oh man, it makes weird noises because it echoes off the
Gotta be careful, man. Needles and that in here. There ain't no one in there.
Holy shit. That is fucked up.
Come on, we'll just go to the end. Screw it. What's that? Like a dead body or something? That's freaky, man.
Yeah, it's a bit freaky.
Someone's been living here.
Yep. Doesn't look that relatively recent, isn't it, really? Is that it? Just the bottom of that? Yeah, I'm guessing.
Yeah, that's that bit we was trying to get in, wasn't it? Look at all the mud there.
Yeah.
You'll probably kick that through, like, but we should find the other ones, man.
Oh shit, can't see anything now.
My bad.
It's got to be like one of the most fucking claustrophobic spaces ever, hasn't it? Yep.
It's cool, man.
What's this wood doing here? Why is there wood?
I reckon people
We tried to have a fire.
had fires in here, hadn't they, to keep it up? I'd have fire in
Like a shit
here.
idea, didn't it?
Yeah.
Even though they're going to fucking die because of the smoking. For yeah, exactly, yeah. Unless you make that bit into a chimney then. You get a good draft through.
What the hell's that?
That's the side of a toy car.
Yeah, like a melted wheel.
Someone's chucked it. Fucking hell.
Should we go find the other one?
Yeah, we'll go see what Yeah, that's gotta be
Yeah, that's that bit we was trying to dig, wasn't it?
Yeah, gotta be. Fair enough.
Right. Go find the other one. This is cool, this is. I've never been in it like this before.
Yep.
That was mad. I love that. That was cool.